It's been an incredibly fast growing season this year, and today I'm going to show you the process I use to harvest and store my lettuce. If you enjoy this video as much as I loved making it, don't forget to subscribe to Homer Gardening for many more garden videos coming soon. Today I'm harvesting about 10 lettuce plants, all of which have been growing for a number of weeks. I've harvested each of them about 4 or 5 times, so they're about at the end of their life cycle. I might get one more good harvest out of this group of lettuce before I start over and plant again from seed. To get the most bang for my buck and to ensure that I can harvest each plant multiple times, I start at the bottom of the plant, harvesting the bottommost leaves and working my way upward and inward until the plant only has about 3 or 4 pretty good sized leaves. At that point I'll stop and let the plant be so that the leaves that are left will develop and become the leaves that I initially pulled off of the plant and harvested first. Homer seems impressed, so I think my harvesting work is done for the day. Moving on into the kitchen, I'm gathering materials, towels, paper towels, and gallon-sized Ziploc bags. My process for cleaning the lettuce includes filling a large basin with water and dumping in every piece of lettuce that I harvested so I can give it a quick first wash before moving on to a more substantial second wash. For the second wash, I fill a large bowl with water and add some of the pre-washed lettuce, shaking it around vigorously to get off any dirt and debris that may be left over from the first wash. I have to say, this process can take some time, so I think I'll speed it up for you a bit. And voila, a big old pile of wet lettuce. I found it dries a little faster if it's spread out into 2 piles. Remember that Ziploc bag from earlier? Place a paper towel at the bottom and fill it with lettuce. This will wick up the moisture and make sure that the lettuce lasts as long as possible. When the bag is full, place another paper towel on the top. Finally, zip and lock. This method keeps the lettuce fresh for a week or more, so if you like a daily salad, you're in luck. Before and after. Don't forget to subscribe to keep up with my garden adventures with Homer.